You excited?
Of course I'm excited.
Brought the whole gang.
In the morning, on the chariot, she crawled up from a handheld device that you carried up. I need a quick second to make sense of this. A cold cup of coffee and a pot to piss, and I listen to the voice freezing in my head, but still listen. I shouldn't have given
Hell yeah.
Japanese gas only, guys.
What did we do?
Japanese gas only. What are we gonna
Probably
do?
just take this back.
We don't have Japanese
Watch your
gas in
hand.
Utah.
We're gonna have to import gas straight from Japan.
Is this flex fuel?
That's gonna be pricey.
Carbon fiber.
Cars and flyers.
Cars for hire.
Cars for hire, carbon fiber.
So we 2JZ swap it?
Arby's are way cooler.
See that? See how big that turbo is?
That's the Japanese Cummins.
It's got 10 compound turbos on it, and it's actually the head off of the Cummins, and then the block is from a 4.
What if I take the steering wheel off? Will it still honk? It won't.
Oh, that's cool. Makes sense.
If only it did the... All right, Casey, what do we got going on with the R34 GTR?
Boys, so you guys seen this thing get unloaded on the trailer, and it looks magnificent. But before we start the giveaway, we like to go through these cars and make them showroom quality. So we have a lot of things, you know, tiny little things that you probably wouldn't notice, but for us, we do notice them. So like on the mirrors, there's tiny little rock chips and everything, and on these side skirts, just over the years, because this is an old car, you know, they do get a little bit of rock chips just from driving, definitely with these sticky tires. So we're over at Izzy's, we're taking this thing apart, we're getting a lot of things repainted just so it's super fresh when we start the giveaway. We'll get a lot of clips of Izzy painting parts like the front bumper, things like that, so check it out.
check, we broadcasting. Ain't nobody ask, we splashing. Beats that have boom, now we moving massive. Breaking you down in the bass, spitting acid. I'm back in my zone, the top gun in the Maverick. Like use elastic, bro. It's really not a stretch. These dudes is plastic, yo. They really not a threat. Looking chilly on the neck and out of pocket. I'm locked in. Presidential roadie, bust it down and give it drop kicks. Now let me pop off, make it look easy. I come through like, give me more reason that I can shut them down, switch up the season, freeze them.
So we're back here with an update. It's been 2 days. Izzy's refreshed the whole front bumper, the hood, went over the fenders. There's been some rock chips. It is an old car, so there's a lot of things to kind of go over. It's been on the road for a while. So check out the amazing work that he's done so far, and we're going to be buttoning this thing up. I say butt or button. Anyways, we're going to get it back to the shop, and then we can go over every single part that's on this car in detail. You're gonna have Evan, he's behind the camera right now, but he's gonna be doing all of it. Not me.
I'll do all of it.
Avalanche, damn, I'm gliding in again, find it again, flow tighter than a crime syndicate. Watch me shake up every time I wake up. K, getting raked up, sundown to wake up. Now let me pop off, make it look easy.
Oh my gosh, that is insane how loud that flutter is. That's louder than the other one, the last one. Explain that. Wow. That is actually insane.
Not a show car, officer.
Stay. Crazy you can be in a car this old and still feel like, dude, there could be a hypercar next to me and I would feel cooler. Like, that's how sick this car is.
8080 family? We're here with DCG91. This is one of our favorite cars we've ever had in the shop, and there is a ton of stuff done to this car. Me and Casey are here. We're gonna do a quick little walk around, so let's get to it. All right, so we have a full list of things done to this car. I mean, that's just insane. I don't think we're gonna be able to hit every single point that's on this car, but we're just gonna go around, hit the most important spots. After this video, if you go to our website, you can see the entire build list, see everything that's done to this car. So let's just start with the obvious. Let's go to the engine bay.
So to start it off, we have an N1 Spec engine block, HKS 87mm pistons. The crankshaft was balanced, done by Tomei. Tomei Rod Bolts, Tomei Head Bolts, Tomei Oil Galley, HKS Head Gasket, HKS VCam System with the controller, HKS Stage 2 Camshaft Set, NISMO timing belt, and to top it off, we have the HKS T04Z massive single turbo kit on this, paired with the HKS Intercooler, HKS Piping. Boy, this is a lot. NISMO intake manifold. We have the HKS oil cooler paired with the Koyo aluminum radiator. We have the NISMO radiator cap, and then if you see this thing here on the left, we have the engine dampener, ARC catch can. We have SARD high flow caps, SARD high capacity fuel system with a big surge tank in the trunk, SARD 900cc injectors, SARD fuel pressure regulator, paired with that the HKS fuel rail, all braided fuel lines throughout. Controlling all that, we have the HKS boost controller, HKS air fuel ratio system, monitor, whatever you want to call it. We also have a Duluck torque manager, DETS-M, so you can control the torque curve, 20, 30, 40, stuff like that. Pretty cool thing. Other than that, that's just kind of the top parts in the engine bay, which makes this car make around 600 horsepower, which is insane. And that turbo sounds so good.
It does. It sounds freaking insane.
So out of all the cool parts on this car, Evan just wants to show you guys his favorite thing on this R34 GTR.
I've never been in a car that's had one of these. I think this is the coolest thing ever. Bang.
Woo! And that's a Momo steering wheel.
Momo, you got the horn?
Meep, meep. Dude.
That's insane. I would take this off, walk in the gas station.
That's a flex right there.
That's just a flex. It's a flex. You take it in the house with you when you park up. No one's stealing it.
And in the rear, you have Brembo brake calipers from a Lotus Elise and two-piece brake rotors. They're 343 millimeters, giving you plenty of stopping power. And to top it all off, all the control arms and suspension are aftermarket and upgraded. So this thing is a beast on the street or the track, whatever you want to use this thing for. So enough of me yapping about this car.
This is it, guys. DCG91. This is an absolutely insane car. So many things done to it. And like I said at the very beginning of this, if you go to our website, you can see the full build list. That thing was just a mile long. We cannot touch on every single thing on that list. To close this video out, we're gonna do some driving videos, some reactions, some sound clips. Super excited to give this one away. It's one of our favorites that we've done here at 8080. So hope you guys like it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Evan's first time behind the wheel of a R34.
This is my very first time. I've never been scared of driving the cars at work, but for some reason this one I am kind of horrified to drive, but we're gonna see what happens here. I've driven those little K trucks before. Those were right-hand drive, stick shift, but they obviously weren't $200,000. They were like $8,000. So
a little more on the line.
It's a little bit more on the line for me here. I could end up in generational debt if anything happens, but I'm excited.